Hey guys, for this video we're going to try to recreate Garten cinnamon baked donuts, and I'm going to try them with dairy-free using my oat milk and dairy-free butter. So I've got everything out here that I'm going to need. Let's see if this turns out. So first we start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then we're going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. So to our flour and sugar, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then to that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. A half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. A half a teaspoon of salt. It says kosher salt, but I only keep one kind of salt, so I'm going with that. And then we're going to sift all this together. And try not to make a mess everywhere. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Now for the wet ingredients, you're going to have 1 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using my oat milk. And then it says 1 extra large egg. I only had regular large eggs, so I added 2. I don't know if that's a mistake or not, but we'll find out. And then to the wet ingredients, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter that's been cooled. Mix that together. And then 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then mix that together. And now we're going to mix our wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. And she says to make sure that we don't overmix. This looks like a very simple and easy recipe. I've tried a lot of donut recipes that are dairy-free and vegan, and I've not had any to turn out, so I'm very excited for this one. Because I love me some donuts. And I don't have any non-stick cooking spray, so I'm just gonna pour some oil in there, take a paper towel, and try to grease these up the best I can. You may not even have to grease silicone, however you want to say it, but I'm going to. Aren't they pretty though? So I think the easiest way for me to pour these in the molds is to put it in a little measuring cup that's got this insert thingy, pour, whatever you want to call it. Spout. Alright, let's see if I can do this. She says to pour it 3/4 of the way full.